Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mckoy once again. Today we're going to react to another beatbox video from Swiss Beatbox, and this is MISFIRE Unicorn Beatbox. Now, alright, so I'm not clicking because of looks, my man. I'm clicking it because it's beatbox, my man. It's because of beatboxing skills. Now don't judge me. So yeah, I'm curious, my man. I'm curious because skill-wise, my the maximum expectation is pitching kata, my man. Guys, that girl, that woman, when it comes to beatboxing, is crazy. We've seen Chihuahua beatbox. Those two are just insane when it comes to beatboxing. Now we have MISFIRE, my man. So I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. Let's do this. If you haven't seen the original video from Swiss Beatbox, I really do suggest that you check out their channel and search for MISFIRE Unicorn Beatbox, or you can visit my description box. I placed there the link, so you just click that. All right. So let's do this, my man. Without further ado, in 3, 2, 1. Am I recording? Yeah.
Hi guys, it's MISFIRE from the USA, and this is big shout out for my friend Paponi and Swiss Beatbox.
Alright. What a lovely voice, yo. Oh yeah. That's a clean transition, yo. I'll share with you my thoughts later. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so I really love the first part because the case and lip rolls are clean, man. Like, listen to this one. Hold on. There you go, dude. I really love that part. Well, every beatboxer who has that skill, like, that's one of my, I really love listening to those type of techniques. And I really love the lip rolls, my man. It's so clean. Alright, so I think MISFIRE spent a lot of time learning and polishing that lip rolls that she's doing here. I love it because it's really clean, man. I don't know if it's because of the mic, but it sounds crisp and really, really nice to hear, yo. I love that, man. Alright, hold on. I'm hearing this kind of progression here. Like, it's the rim shot. You're hearing that kinda bongo sound whenever she's doing the rim shot. You're hearing that. Alright, so let me just let you guys know that if you're trying to learn rim shot, I've already made a tutorial for this. If you're trying to learn rim shot, try to combine your and then for you guys to create that rim bongo sound, because a lot of beatboxers, or well, there are other beatboxers who will learn bongo drum first before they learn the rim shot itself, because you know that it's like an assisting sound, man. When you're trying to do a rim shot, it's like an assisting sound where if you do that, if you're trying to combine your kick throat and then the first thing that you're going to hear is not but so if you're trying to learn that clean rim shot sound, going this route will definitely help, man. Alright, so just imagine if she masters the rim shot sound, man. Bro, MISFIRE will be phenomenal, yo. So, man, this one has potential, man. Bro, it's just amazing that this generation of beatboxers are like very, very good at lip rolls, my man. Back in the day, bro, the basis of being good is throat bass and rim shot. If you're good at that, then you can kill it. But this generation is just, even if the beatboxer of today are just learning the inward K snare, guys, their lip rolls are just insane, bro. Which is amazing, man. But yeah, if this is your first time doing some beatboxing, if you're learning, guys, you need to learn the basics too. Alright, balance that lip roll and then basics, you know, the BTK, because those are the foundations, my man. But if you're going with a lip roll route, that's fine. It's your personal preference, you know. That's just my suggestion, you know. So and my apologies, guys, if it's been a while since I've made a reaction video. I know it took me a week to upload a new one. Sorry about that. I've been venturing a business and I'm trying to make it work, man. You know, the computer building business. I'm trying to customize PC. So if you are following my Instagram account, I'm Mckoy Gaming, you are seeing there a lot of client builds. So I'm trying to make that work. So someday it will grow bigger. And, you know, I don't have to work my day job, you know, and have just the business only. So, you know, business and then beatbox and YouTube. Just think about that for a second, my man. So I'm trying to make it work. Like, I'm spending a lot of, you know, energy trying to study it, the ins and outs of this kind of business. So if you wanted to, yeah, you can check out my other YouTube channel. I've uploaded my very first, very boring PC building. So I'm still trying to learn creating videos with the content of building PC. So please bear with me on that one. You might want to follow me as well. Alright, so there you go, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed my reaction for today. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. What do you guys think about MISFIRE's beatboxing skills? Me, I love it. This is really great. So this one deserves to be in a Swiss Beatbox channel. So good job, MISFIRE. And yeah, alright. So yeah, I'm gonna see you again in my next video, my man. Peace.